Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make green salsa with avocado. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of tomatillos, 2 jalapenos, and half a white onion. You'll also need 2 cloves of garlic, a generous bunch of fresh cilantro, and 1 perfectly ripe avocado. Make sure your tomatillos are husked and rinsed, and your jalapenos are ready for roasting. This simple preparation ensures a vibrant, flavorful salsa. Now, let's build that incredible depth of flavor. Place your tomatillos, jalapenos, and half white onion on a baking sheet. Roast them under the broiler or in a hot oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until they are nicely charred and softened. Remember to flip them halfway through for even cooking. Let them cool just enough to handle before moving to the next step. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully transfer your roasted tomatillos, jalapenos, and onion into a blender. Add the 2 cloves of garlic and a good handful of fresh cilantro. Pour in about half a cup of water, then blend until the mixture is mostly smooth, leaving a little texture if you prefer. Finally, add your ripe avocado and blend briefly until it's creamy and perfectly incorporated. Now for the finishing touches. Taste your beautiful green salsa and season it generously with salt and pepper until it's just right. This salsa is fantastic served immediately with tortilla chips, tacos, or as a vibrant accompaniment to grilled meats. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.